Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we have a special unboxing. You guys already read the title. This is the LG Velvet. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the LG Velvet, one of the high mid-range phones that's coming to us from LG, and it does have a 5G processor. This is not the 865 processor that comes with a lot of the flagships that are over $1,000 right now. This is actually the Snapdragon 765, which actually produces the same 5G bands as the 865. So this is definitely a chip that I really want to check out, and I've been anticipating these phones. There's a few phones actually coming out with that chip. So you have the upcoming Pixel 4a that's rumored to have it, the OnePlus Nord, and the Motorola Edge. So we definitely have a lot of phones that are coming out with this chip, but this is the first one out so far. This is the LG Velvet for AT&T, so if you guys have AT&T, you guys have opportunity to get this. This is not available on Locked, and so let's just start the unboxing. Let's see what they sent. Alright guys, so this is a reviewer's guide, so you guys can actually see what actually comes in a box. On the front you have the LG logo, life is good, and you won't be getting this with the unboxing at the retail version, but I definitely want to guide you guys through the experience of how this works. So we have our reviewer guide, the LG Velvet, right there on top, and we have a few little display and design stuff right here, so you guys will pause this and read it for yourself. You definitely can. The future of smartphone design doesn't have to be bulky and ordinary. The LG Velvet goes against the grain with a whole new design language. So what the rumors have been is that they got rid of the G series line for right now, and they're going with the Velvet line. I remember back in the day with the LG phones how they had the chocolate, and they had a whole bunch of phones that had some really cool names. So it's pretty cool to see them actually go back to that. So here's the phone itself. You do have the AT&T branding, so you guys don't have any type of LG branding like the V60 that I have right over here. So the V60. So let's just put that to the side and see what else we get in the box. So you have your dual screen case. Now I don't think that the dual screen case actually comes with the phone with AT&T, so you probably have to redeem it, or you probably have to buy it separately. But I will leave a link down below if you guys want to pick it up for AT&T. And let's see what else they gave me. They gave me a nice little charging wall brick, Type C. And you have a nice little case here that's for your phone, I guess, just to clean your phone. Okay, so this is the phone soap, so you're able to clean your phone. So a big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. This is really cool when it comes to this whole thing with COVID right now. This is definitely good to have when you want to clean your devices or your cases or anything of that sort. And they also sent me another cool looking case here. I will actually showcase that. Let's check it out. It's a cool looking case that has the band strap on the right hand side. But let's get right into the phone, because that's what you guys want to see. Alright, so here's the phone. This is the LG Velvet. Now I will have the specs down below if you guys are interested, but let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. You have the LG Velvet all the way around. Let's just pop this baby open. Alright, so let's see what color they sent out to me. So it looks like we got the Silver Surfer on deck. Glad to see that the first thing that hits me is that it does remind me of the Xperia 1. It is definitely a tall device. So I do have the Xperia 1 on deck, and I probably will show it side by side, but this is the phone itself. Let's put that to the side. Now with AT&T, they always take out a lot of stuff, so let's see if they gave you anything. So you have your AT&T guide, you have your LG promise for, is it 2 years too? Second year promise, turn your phone into digital wallet and LG Pay, and you have your standard Type C charging cable and your wall brick fast charger from LG. So definitely shout out to LG for leaving in that. It doesn't look like it comes with headphones, because usually the carrier versions never come with headphones, so I'm really not surprised when it comes to that. So let's exactly see. Now I read on the internet that this phone should be coming to T-Mobile. Right, so you should actually see this on T-Mobile and Verizon. I think that Verizon will get an exclusive color, so you'll probably see different colors for each carrier. But the first thing I could say is, man, you see how they cleaned up the camera so you don't have like little, saying black designs all over the camera. It's just the sensors, and you do have a few rings around it, but just the beauty of it. You do have the logo for AT&T right there, LG. Okay, so don't ask me to sell this because I can't, as you can see. But this is definitely a beautiful device. It does have the curved edges. If you guys are wondering about the curved edges, you have a Type-C and you have a headphone jack. Now, from what I'm hearing is that this not come with the quad DAC, so you will have to make some sacrifice, especially for the price point that this comes out in. On the top, you have your SIM ejection slot, and you have your power button on the right hand side, and you have your Google Assistant button right there on the left, and you have your volume up and down. First thing I can say is that it's not heavy at all, but I do want to get my Xperia 1. I'll be right back. Let's see how it compares side by side. Alright, so we are now back. I have the Xperia 1 and the LG Velvet. They're really similar when it comes to height. It seems like the Velvet's a little bit wider. They are definitely close in stature, as you guys can see. But back to the Velvet itself. Let's power it up and let you see what it looks like. LG Velvet, powered by Android. Alright, and here you go guys, the LG Velvet with the welcome screen. Look like it's a little bit too bright, but that is the welcome screen right over there. Alright, so I will leave some links down below if you guys want to know the specs and all that good stuff. But the first thing I noticed is that it does have the water drop notch right up top, and it does have the black bezel all the way around. But I will definitely be testing this, and I will be giving you my first impressions and everything that I really want to do. I will probably have a separate video about the dual screen, and we could definitely take a look at that right after this video. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the LG Velvet and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.